Hello all. In this video, we will show you the process of E-TDS return generation process in Saral TDS. Before going to the generation of the return files, make sure you have checked on the below points. PAN of all the deductees or employees are verified. Details of all deductions for the quarter are entered with proper payment and TDS details. Details of all challans paid in the quarter are entered with proper CIN details and are verified. All deductions are linked to challans. No challans are overutilized. Data quality report is generated and data accuracy is verified. Certificate details are validated. Once you are sure about the above details, select the E-TDS return option under the required form and quarter. Here we have selected form 26Q and quarter 3. Now you can see the E-TDS return window. The required files are to be generated here. Firstly, you will be asked to download the challan input file. Click on download. On entering the CAPTCHA code, the required file will be downloaded. Make sure that your internet is open to reach the NSDL website. If you are not able to directly download the file, click on Get CSI file manually. This will directly connect you to the NSDL website. Here enter the CAPTCHA code and then proceed to download the file onto your system. Now read it to your software through this button. The message at the top in brown shows the due date of return filing for the selected quarter. It also shows the interest amount in case of delayed return filing, that is, interest under section 234E will be calculated and displayed. The PAN validity is displayed here in blue. If any deductee does not have a PAN or have an invalid PAN, and if the deduction entry for such record is saved without a remark of 20% deduction, then the return file cannot be generated. To know more about the details on the calculation, click on the View List button. Now click on E-Return button to generate the required files. Next, you can see the data checklist with data validation at different points. Here, the checklist is shown in red as there is some data that needs to be rechecked. Go back to the details, verify, rectify if required, and then continue to return filing. If there are no mistakes, the checklist will be shown in green and data is ready for return. Click on Continue to file generation. If the validation of details is successful, then File Validation Successful message will be displayed. Click on OK to continue. A folder with required files, that is FVU file and Form 27A, will be displayed and which can be used for further steps. If the validation fails, then error message will be displayed. Coming to the next part of the video, that is error identification and debugging. Going back to the E-Return window. To view and rectify more errors, click on Show Report. Here you can see all the errors in detail. In case you are unable to identify the source of the error, then note the line number and enter the same in Identify Error. Then click on Identify. This will display the source of the error. Rectify the error and generate the return file. In the next video, we will explain you about acknowledgement number screen and its usage as well. This completes the process of generating files for E-TDS return filing through Saral TDS. If you have any questions, ask them in the comment section below, and make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel for more such videos. Thank you.